There's a thing under here. You gotta undo this.
Oh, okay.
We don't have a spanner, and then it pops, and you pull it. You push it down, I think, the centerpiece, and then you turn it, and then you lift it up.
Okay.
Yeah, but there's a seal under here, and this tightens it against this.
And what is this? A pressure relief valve? Or?
Yeah, it's fermenting, right?
Yeah.
So it just blows out here.
Down to say what pressure you want it to be, or?
No, well, right now it's open because it's fermenting.
Okay.
Like this isn't pretty tight.
Yeah.
So
if you want to take a sample, you have to take it once a day, or?
Yeah.
Something? Yeah. So where's it at in terms of bricks? Or
from memory, I think it's a 6.
6.
Brick. Easier to control temperature. I think it's peaked at like 15 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Just sitting here. So.
Are you happy with how it's working, or is it really?
Yeah. There's 200 liters in there. There's 200 kgs plus whatever the ball weighs.